He is so rude and
I
disrespectful.
think he was confused.
We didn't look kittens enough.
No. I want some milk. That's my cat impression.
I want some milk.
Give me some milk.
No.
I would like some tuna fish, please.
We're little kittens. Hi. What's
I would like some kibble.
Kibble, that's dogs.
Whatever, I'm crazy. I eat whatever.
I eat whatever.
I would like some human food.
Hi, we're just meow. Meow.
I don't want to poop in a box no more.
Alright, hell no, we're done with these kittens. On to the next one.
Alright, this is still act like a cat.
Oh,
I'm a cat.
We're
I'm a cat.
Meow, 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 meow.
and
Girl,
Joe.
you- I'm a sad cat.
You both like emo.
I'm sad.
Girl, we're
I'm a
sad.
cat.
Cheers up, we're sad.
I'm so sad.
Alright, see you tomorrow with the ultimate in your favor. Goodbye.
Ah,